Hello and welcome to this short series of training and demonstration videos regarding mechanical rotary tube cleaning. My name is David from Goodway Benelux and I will be your host for today. A mechanical rotary tube cleaning package usually consists of three facets: a tube cleaning system, flexible shafts, and brushes and accessories. At Goodway Benelux we supply different tube cleaning systems. They can either be electric or air-powered. Furthermore, they can be equipped with a dolly or no dolly, also known as a roll cage. A dolly makes it easier for transport on location, while a roll cage is perfect for tight spaces such as engine rooms and ships. Now, all equipment is standard fitted with a water supply, which makes flushing during cleaning possible. Flexible shafts are essential for the tube cleaning process, since they make the connection between the brush and the machine. There are different types of shafts, different lengths, different diameters. This all depends on your application. Normally we supply either a black shaft or a blue shaft. Black shafts are used for industrial applications where no water is used or required. Blue shafts, on the other hand, work with a water flush only. Regardless of the type, all shafts feature a quick connect coupling, which allows for rapid connection to the tube cleaning system. Blue shafts either feature a threaded connection or a quick connect connection. Quick connect allows for bidirectional rotation of the brush, which enhances the cleaning effect and makes it easier for the operator. When you're using a machine like the Ram Pro with a dual foot switch, you can rotate clockwise and counterclockwise. We always advise to use quick connect couplings when you're using such a system. Cleaning brushes and tools are essentially what make or break the cleaning. Blue flexible shafts are usually used for smaller applications such as chiller and condenser tubes. You can use various types of brushes. It can either be nylon, brass, or stainless steel. Black flexible shafts are usually used with tougher industrial tube cleaning systems which can only rotate clockwise. Hence that we always use threaded tools. In addition to the black flexible shaft are so-called spider brushes. These brushes are perfect for large tubes or production lines. Since spider brushes have a different connection than a normal shaft, we use an intercoupling. Screw it on easily and connect the spider brush by a two-click system. Setting up your tube cleaning system is very easy. When you're using a system with a roll cage, you can put it like this and go on straight away. When you have a dolly though, it is important to lay the system down when you're going to use it. Why is it so important? Because it's important that the shaft goes out in a straight way. When you have it going out with a bend, it can cause internal friction, which can cause the shaft to break earlier or have a shortened lifetime. When you're using an electrical system, easily connect it to a power outlet and press here and on. As you will see, the system will turn green, which indicates that it's ready to go. This is the water supply that you can use to connect water. These systems can be used with or without water, depending on which shaft you're using. In this compartment, you can find the foot switch. The Ram 4 and Ram Pro and other systems feature a dual switch foot pedal, which means that it can rotate both sides. When you're assembling our tube cleaning equipment, always make sure to use the proper PPE. Connect your flexible shaft to the manifold and make sure it's tight. As soon as you press on the foot pedal, the brush should start rotating right away. Test both sides to make sure that you're really cleaning bidirectionally. The AWT 100X is Goodway's most powerful tube cleaning system. It is air-powered and can rotate from 500 to 3000 RPM. This is especially useful for tough industrial tube cleaning applications. Some examples can be heat exchanger or reactor tubes. As always, when setting up your tube cleaning system, make sure to wear the proper PPE. Since the AWT 100X is used with a dolly, it is important to use it in a horizontal situation. Here you have your air intake with lubrication, shaft manifold for connecting a flexible shaft, water supply, speed control and torque control. The torque control is factory set so we do not advise you to change this. The speed control you can rotate to rotate faster or slower, depending on what you're cleaning. As always, when connecting a flexible shaft to the machine, make sure that it exits straight, no bends or curves. In this compartment, you can find a one-direction foot pedal. Since the system is used for large-scale industrial applications, you are usually using tougher tools which can rotate only clockwise, hence the one-directional foot pedal. Every heat exchanger has different tube lengths, therefore it is important to adjust your flexible shaft. By changing the position of this white knob, you can either shorten or lengthen the total length of the flexible shaft. It is important that the brush exits the tube halfway so you get the best cleaning effect. For this demonstration, we are using an electrical tube cleaning system with a dual switch foot pedal and quick neck brushes. Now, depending on what kind of cooler or insulation you're going to clean, you may choose a different brush. For this shell and tube heat exchanger, we have used our SGB nylon brushes, which are always working with a slight oversized to create a better cleaning effect. After a wet cleaning, the shaft will always have some leftover water inside of it. This can cause corrosion and oxidation. Therefore, it is very important to flush this water out. Use the GSL 705 tool to connect the flexible shaft on the one side and compressed air on the other side. Thank you for watching this video, and if you would like to get more information or learn more about our other product categories, check out our website or give us a call.